Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before I start today's vid, I hope that each one of you out there watching this vid and your families are in the best form of health. We're obviously in this horrible COVID-19 situation throughout the world and in pretty much like a lockdown situation, and I know how frustrating that can be, and especially for me as well. I really want to get out, drive my car and do so much content on it, but on the contrary, I'm actually just stuck at home, not being able to churn out a lot of these vids that I want to really do. So in today's vid, what I'm going to do is some light aesthetic modifications to the car, especially on the front end. I've got some carbon eyebrows for the headlights, which I think are going to look really cool on my M4. It's obviously dripping with a bit of carbon already, so it'll be kind of a finishing touch to the front end. So what I'll do now is I'll show you the carbon eyebrows. They're obviously in the house, so I'll go inside and quickly show you what they look like, and then come back out and start installing them. So these are the carbon eyebrows that I'll be fitting to my M4. They've got 3M tape on the back, so hopefully these will just stick on and give the front end of the M4 a little bit more of a aggressive look. So what we're going to do now is just take these and apply these to the headlights. So the first idea is that we've got to get our headlights clean. We've got to make sure that there's no debris or anything like that, any dust particles, and more so coronavirus on our headlights. So we're going to just decontaminate the headlights and then go ahead and put on the carbon trims or the carbon eyebrows. Okay, so I've now put on the one on the right hand side light, and you've just got to flex it a little bit around here so it doesn't stick out too much from this side. Now I know most of you will be thinking, well, this bit is still showing. I think the way these have been designed, that is how it is. I have seen these on a few M4s and M3s, and that little bit of silver lining underneath does show through. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fit it to the other side as well now. There you go guys, quite an easy modification to do to your M3 and M4 in these lockdown times. I will leave the link to those parts in the description below, so you can go and check that out. Those parts are obviously available for your regular 3 and 4 series cars as well. Be sure to give this video a like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll try and cover a little bit more content on the M4 as well as my G20 3 series over the sort of coming days and weeks and what have you. Probably do more maintenance like vlogs and vids, sort of car cleaning and detailing vids. So if you are going to be interested in stuff like that, then definitely stay tuned and consider subscribing. But hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.